Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 5 subject value education. Lesson number 8 living in harmony. Harmony means what? Pleasing arrangements of parts. Learn to live in harmony with nature. See here, we should care for our environment and plant our trees around them and prevent deforestation. We have to respect and value the nature. Always we have to respect and value the nature. Here one activity is there. You go to a wildlife sanctuary, means refuge or safety from pursuit. Okay, where animals live freely. The law is that man is not supposed to disturb the animals in their environment. You see a beautiful deer family. What do? See here, when you go to the wildlife sanctuary, they are living very freely in the forest. That the law of the man, what you had supposed to disturb the animals in their environment. Yes, this is the right. We have to disturb the animals. You see a beautiful deer family. What do? Here options are given. Enjoy their beauty quietly from a distance. Go close to click photos, not bothering that they may get scared or run away. What you will do? You will enjoy, right? When the deer family will come, you have to maintain the distance, the beauty, and quietly you have to maintain the distance and we have to enjoy. You should not go and click the photos and all. They can scared and they can run away. You have to tick mark first. Here one story is there. Read this real story to know how nature sometimes show its anger when man disturbs it. See here, we have to understand the nature is generous to man, but man should learn not to be exploit the nature for selfish reasons. Let me see what they happen in the story. The Tusker of Roni Tal. Roni Tal was a beautiful town by a lake in the lower Himalaya. See, Roni Tal is very beautiful town in the lake near the lower Himalaya. The town was surrounded by thick forest. Earlier, to reach Roni Tal, people had to travel on ponies or on foot. See what happens on those days earlier. See, the forest very thick. Early mans they are using to travel the place Roni Tal to ponies or on foot by walk and all they are using. The British decided to lay a railway line to make the journey easier. What the British have decided? To make a railway line to make the journey easier. Lots of trees of the forest were cut for making the railway sleepers. What's happened to make the railway line? The lot of trees and forests they have to cut to make a railway line. Can you see this picture? Right. The hill slopes were dug for stones to be cut and laid for the track. What happened? To make the tracks and all, we had to cut the trees, we had to slope the stones and all, right? We had to destroy the forest to track the lines to get the train and all to travel to easier. People boasted that they would soon conquer the jungle. The people, what they are doing, they want to conquer the jungle. They did not know what nature had planned for them. See, when we'll destroy the forest, what the nature will do? The nature also planned for them. Right. See, this story has adopted to purpose for the lesson for the collection in the jungle stories. See, the jungle stories, what are they? How suppose the people, the British decided to make the journey easier. They are to lay the railway line and they destroying the forest. The hill slopes were dug, the stones were cut, laid the track. People has to conquer what the nature had planned for them. As the first trolley went up the track to construct the railway line, the driver heard a loud roar that almost shocked the jungle. What happened? The first trolley went up to they have to construct, right, the railway line and all. The driver has listened loudly, roar, almost in shock the jungle. What is the sound? Who's that making like that sound and all? The driver was thinking. The tusker of Roni, a 10-foot tall bull elephant, stood in the way. Has you seen the picture, right? That tusker Roni has the 10-foot, he's a big elephant, has come and stood in the way. Saving its truck, threatening. What's happened? It was the dangerous, the elephant is showing with the bad expression and all. The anger elephant rammed the trolley with his heads. He was pushing with the heads, taking the help of the elephant very angry, and elephant rammed the trolley with its head. Is pushing. The trolley went rattling, making a series of knocking the sounds. He's making the sounds the elephant to go back and all. He was very angry, rattling down the slope. The anger elephant then left from there. The anger elephant left there only. The battle between man and the nature continued. What happened? They got the battle between man and the nature has continued. In the end, the line was constructed. In the end, what happened? The line was constructed. But man eventually paid for this foolishness, is not listening to the warning that nature gave in the form of the elephant. What happened? The nature has given warning, right? What we had to do, right? He has came and trolley has pushed and all. He has shown the anger, but the nature has known what the plan. Until the constructor has finished, eventually we had to pay for the foolishness, right? Is not listening. But the warning also nature gave from the elephant. Okay, digging of slopes and cutting of trees caused landslides. The animals, frightened by the strange happenings in their own land, started to attack anyone who came by. What happened? The digging of the slopes, cutting the trees, landslide and all. The animals are frightened by the strange. What they happened? They were very angry. They have own land and started attack to came by. Whoever they came and they have started attack. No one could use the railway line. The line still remains as reminder that nature has her own way of teaching man its lesson. What happened? Then they started attack and all. No one had to travel, no has to use the railway line, and still this remains. The nature own the teaching man its lesson. See what happened here? That has exploited that man has exploited the nature, sometimes very cruelly, and that many reasons, many wonders nature are no longer there. See that we have to understand there are many ways to which they can care for nature. See, to use the public transport often, we should not destroy the forest and all. We have to save the nature. Nature has given the hint by the elephant, and also we have to this story we had to read and listen the very carefully about the what the nature has exploited there. See elephant how it has came and attacked the people, and they have to we have to pay, right? The nature has owned the way teaching man its lesson. What is the moral of this story? Value what we have to learn here? Respect for environment. We have to respect our environment. Thank you.